Dear students, today in this class we have to discuss about exercise 2.2 on triangles. We have 8th main. Using theorem converse of basic proportionality theorem, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Okay, draw a triangle ABC. Draw a triangle ABC. The line joining the midpoints of any two sides, that is AB and AC. P is the midpoint of AB and Q is the midpoint of AC. Join PQ. Dear students, consider the figure. Consider the given figure in which PQ is a line segment joining the midpoints of PE is on AB and Q is on AC respectively. That is AP is equal to PB and AQ is equal to QC. I will write here, okay? Consider the given figure. Consider the given figure in which PQ is a line segment. PQ is a line segment joining the midpoints joining the midpoints P and Q of a line AB and AC respectively. Of a line AB and AC respectively. That is AP is equal to PB and AQ is equal to QC. It can be observed that AP by PB is equal to AP by PB is equal to 1 by 1 because AP is equal to PB. AP is equal to PB and AQ by QC is equal to AQ by QC is equal to 1 by 1. Therefore, AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. Hence, by using basic proportionality theorem, we obtain PQ is parallel to BC. Hence, we proved. Hence, by using basic proportionality theorem, we obtain PQ is parallel to PC. Hence proved. This is the answer. See here, using theorem, converse of basic proportionality theorem, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Hence, we proved PQ is parallel to BC. Dear students, now we have to discuss about ninth question, okay, on exercise 2.2 on triangles, okay. We have question here, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonals intersect each other at the point O. Show that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO, okay. Dear students, in this they will not give the figure, we have to draw, okay. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, and its diagonals intersect each other. Diagonals intersect each other. Diagonals intersect each other at the point O. At the point O. Show that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. We have to show that. We need to show that. Okay. Dear students, draw a line E and F. Draw a line. Draw a line E and F. Okay. Draw a line E and F through the point O such that EF is parallel to DC. Correct? Therefore, in triangle ADC, EO is parallel to DC. Okay, and in triangle DAB also, EO is parallel to AB. Okay, let us prove. Solution. Draw a line. Draw a line EF through the point O. Through the point O such that EF is parallel to DC. EF is parallel to DC in triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, check it here. In triangle ADC, EO is parallel to DC. EO is parallel to DC. By using basic proportionality theorem, we obtain. By using basic proportionality theorem, we obtain AE by ED is equal to AO by OC. AO by OC. Okay, take it as equation 1. Equation 1. Okay. Now, in triangle ABD or DAB, in triangle DAB, in triangle DAB, see here, EO is parallel to AB. EO is parallel to AB. DE by EA is equal to, okay, by using basic proportionality theorem, by using BPT, we obtain DE by EA, DE by EA is equal to DO by OB, DO by OB. Okay, dear students, it can be write as or taking reciprocal. Okay, EAE by ED is equal to OB by OD, OB by OD. By taking reciprocal, or it can be write as. Got it? By taking reciprocal, by taking reciprocal. Okay, take it as equation 2, equation 2. Okay, from equations 1 and 2 we obtain, from equations 1 and 2 we obtain AE by ED, AE by ED. Okay, we obtain AO by OC, AO by OC is equal to OB by OD, OB by OD. It can be write as, see, we can change the places, these both. In the place of OC, take OB by cross multiply. Okay, OC is equal to, in the place of OB we can take OC. Therefore, AO by OB is equal to OC by OD, OC by OD. See here, AO by OB is equal to OC by OD. Hence, proved. This is the answer. Dear students, now we have to discuss about 10th question on exercise 2.2 on triangles. Okay, here we have question. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. Dear students, we have to draw the figure. Okay, draw ABCD is a trapezium. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Okay, diagonals. Draw the diagonals. ABCD intersect each other at the point O. Each other at the point O. Okay. See here, dear students, Let us consider the following figure of the given question. Draw a line O to E. Okay, see here OE is parallel to AB. Draw a line OE. Draw a line OE. OE or EO. EO is parallel to AB. We need to show that ABCD is a trapezium. Okay. Let us prove. Okay. Let us consider the following figure. Let us consider the following figure we have. Okay, draw a line OE. Draw a line OE is parallel to AB. OE is parallel to AB in triangle DAB. In triangle DAB, EO is parallel to AB. EO is parallel to AB. You can write OE or EO. Okay. EO is parallel to AB by using basic proportionality theorem. By using basic proportionality theorem, we obtain, see here, we can write AE by ED is equal to BO by OD. AE by ED is equal to BO by OD. BO by OD. Take it as equation 1. See, if you are writing DE by EA is equal to DO by OB, after that we have to take reciprocal. Again we will get AE by ED is equal to BO by OD. Okay. Equation 1. However, it is given that, is it? However, it is given that, what he has given? AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. It can be write as AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. We can write like this. Okay. Change these two places. Okay. Because we have to make it equal. Okay. However, it is given that AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. BO by DO. Take it as equation 2. Okay. From equation 1 and 2, from equations 1 and 2, we obtain, see here, BO by OD, BO by OD is equal to AE by ED is equal to AO by CO. Is it? Therefore, AE by ED is equal to AO by CO. AO by CO. AO by CO. Okay. Therefore, let us see here. AE by ED is equal to AO by CO. Means EO is parallel to DC. Therefore, EO is parallel to DC according to converse of basic proportionality. Converse of basic proportionality theorem. Okay. This implies, here I will write, okay. This implies AB is parallel to EO is parallel to DC. Okay. See here, OE is parallel to AB, even OE is also parallel to DC. We proved. Therefore, ABCD is a trapezium. Okay. It means AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. Therefore, ABCD is a trapezium. Hence, proved. This is the answer.